Hi, I'm Wire. Welcome to Wireworks. Hey everybody, Wire here. This next video is I'm going to restore this Vise. I haven't done a Vise video. I promised you guys I was going to do a cap tester this video, but I had to order a part for it. The outside knob was so obvious it was busted, so I'm waiting for that before we get into that. Once I get that, we'll get into that cap tester. But anyway, I bought this. This is a Littlestown Vise, and I believe it's a 3-inch Vise. Yeah, 3-inch Vise. I got this at the flea market about 2 or 3 months ago. It was in the summertime. I got it for $2. The guy said it was broke, and it doesn't look like it's broke to me. The only thing that I see missing is the washer that goes here and a cotter pin, and I have one right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up, get this all painted up, and make this look pretty again. I'm going to do a little something different than what I usually do for rust removal. I'm going to try electrolysis for the first time and see what that'll do on this. Rather than soaking it for 2 or 3 days, I'll just soak it for 4 or 5 hours and see what happens. I've never done electrolysis before, and I see a lot of guys on YouTube do it, so I'm going to give it a shot too. I will be using baking soda as the media for the electrolysis. I'm not going to use table salt because I believe it produces chloride gas, and we don't need that here. Anyway, let me get set up, and I'll bring you right back. This is Wire at Wireworks. Okay, I'm back. I've got my tub of water here, and this is the baking soda. So what we're going to do, I don't know how much baking soda I need. Mix this all up. I'll just put it in the whole box. Okay. I'm going to use this for the sacrificial steel. This is one of them old hammers that you screw the heads on. I had this in my junk drawer, so it's pretty much well worthless. So what we're going to do is we'll wind this up. I think we're going to have to make this a little longer. Okay, this is post wire brush. I did, after I took it out of electrolysis, I did put it in my parts washer and clean it up a little bit. It got a lot of the rust off and wire wheeled it, and it turned out pretty good. I know now why this guy sold it so cheap when he said it was broke. It was not only the washer was missing here, but there's a chunk of metal missing from here. And I guess there was a pin that goes through that holds this in. Now, the pin is still in here, but this rocks back and forth if you bang it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this up and put some pressure on it and see if this cocks when I put pressure on it. If it doesn't cock, I won't do anything to it. But if it does, what I'm going to do is bore this out, tap it, and run a Allen set screw in here. And maybe that'll keep it from tilting when you close it. It may not, but I don't plan on using this anyway. I just wanted to fix it up. This is way too small for some of the stuff I need. I've got 2 and 3 inch vices that I use now. I just wanted to do a vice restoration. But the good thing is this wasn't bent at all. I was trying to get these ends off, but I found out that the ends were peened over, so we didn't do anything with that. I got a coating of penetrating oil on this. I'm going to have to call it quits right now. It's Saturday. I've got a Halloween party to go to tonight. The club is throwing a party, and I'm the treasurer, so I've got to collect the money, so I got to go. Anyway, I'm going to pick this up tomorrow. It'll be Sunday. And we'll see how far we take it then. This is Wired Wire Works. See you later. Hey everybody, Wire here. It's Sunday afternoon. I'm going to pick up where we left off yesterday. I had to go out and get some wire brushes so I can get some of the rust off in here. Fortunately, the Harbor Freight's across the street now. So I love that. I think I'm there 3-4 times a week. Just window shopping half the time. But anyway, we're going to get in here in these little cavities, try to get some of the, well, there's no rust in here, but I want to get all the grit out of there. And then we're going to take the fiber wheels, go over it, and then we'll have to do something with these jaws. These jaws do not come off. I don't know if you can see that, right? There's no screws. Got a lot of dings in it. The top is it's pretty all dinged up. So I want to try to get them as flat as we can. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. Might even break out my stationary belt sander just to try to get that down, and we'll see how we go from there. Not sure what color we're going to do these yet, but we'll see. Anyway, let me get this drill hooked up, and we'll start cleaning these out and fiber wheel. This is Wired Wire Works. Okay, everybody, this is what we have. I painted it red because that's all I had. Plus, I like red anyway. All my toolboxes are red. It turned out a little bit better than I thought it would. This bottom, the jaw, this right here does tilt when you put some pressure on the jaws. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I may bore it out, I may not. I'm just going to keep this on the shelf. This is going to be in my collection. One of the hardest things to do here was to letter it, believe it or not. I tried it with paint, that didn't work. I just used a Sharpie. It seemed to work okay. Like I said, I'm surprised on how well it did turn out. I did get most of the nicks and gouges out of this, so it did work out pretty well, and I'm pretty pleased with it. I think the next thing we're going to be working on is that I don't know if I might be doing that wooden mallet challenge that Scoutcrafter put up. I don't know. I'm pretty busy this week. I got a couple jobs lined up. We'll play it. We're gonna have to play that by ear, and hopefully that part will come in for the capacitor checker, and we can get on to that. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends. This is Wired Wireworks. Have a good one. God bless everyone.